My name's Jeremy Wood and I'm a fourth year aircraft engineer. So I work on all the fixed wing stuff. I work on engine and airframe, stuff from landing gear to pulling engines apart, everything in between. There really is no normal day for us. Most of the time we are in the hangar, but sometimes we get breakdowns out at the Bungles, Pernalulu National Park and places like Alquestro Wilderness Park. So it's always different and always exciting. Well, I decided to start an apprenticeship with Aviair because they're a well-respected company within the aviation industry and they've got a pretty high standard of work. For now, the future will be finishing the apprenticeship first and foremost, and then working with Aviair to progress further through my career, getting licences, moving to other aircraft that are throughout the fleet. Yeah, just pushing my career a little bit further ahead. So 4 years is the apprenticeship term. That includes most of our time in the hangar and then trade blocks of 3 or 4 weeks down in Perth doing theory work and working with Aviation Australia. So you get a good mix, good balance of practical and theory work. Oh, the workplace culture is unreal. You've got your mates everywhere, you get to have a good day, you have a laugh, but you get your work done as well. There's no blaming anyone for things that could go wrong or that have gone wrong. It's all a just culture and it's pretty good to work for. The quality of work that comes out is unreal, and the care that people have, not only engineers but pilots and reservation staff, is unmatched by any other company. And it's just good to work for a tight-knit group that not only cares about the people they're working with, but people they're working for as well. In my free time, I'll go down to the local footy club. The sporting scene in Kununurra is pretty big, even though we're a small town. On a weekend, me and my partner like to go hiking, bird watching, waterfalling, everything outdoors that we can do, we get into, and it's awesome. I think my favourite thing about working for Aviair is it's a real work-life balance. Being able to do a 6 till 3 day and then go home. We've got 3 or 4 hours to kill before the sun goes down, so head down to the lake, go for a fish, yeah, all the good things. And it's just an unreal place. If you like the outdoors, you like camping, fishing, boating, all the rest of it, it's a place to be.